at my friend's place. I'm about to break this bed down for her so she can put a new one up. That's my project for the day. So that's my project for the day. So, get ready. Get the tools. Always gotta bring your tools. Now, where's the breakdown? You have time or everything, just gotta help a friend out. So always bring your tool. Part 1. First, the breakdown. So, I got the breakdown. Which is just Ikea cardboard wood. So now it's time for us to set up a whole new get up.
You don't get up out my house.
Okay, who's looking at me? Here, come out.
Come on. Watch this. Here, watch this. Come on. Mama. Come on.
All feisty. All right.
He gonna come out the window.
This is 1,000-piece puzzles, and we're gonna try to put this together.
What's snow? That's snow high for you.
It snows though. That's
He came off. What's snow? Snow is right there. Look how big snow is. You got big. Look how big snow is. Look at him. He right there looking at you. Yeah. 20, 23, 24. Almost 3 years old. Yep. Look at him. Look at him.
Get all crazy and stuff with your partners. Gotta go get them $1,000 videos and get all crazy.
Yeah.
This is like maybe half crazy. Or one leg's gotta be on top, the other one's gotta be on the floor so you don't mess it up. You can't be too crazy. You can be crazy, but don't be too crazy because this is still an Ikea. Hey guys, you know I enjoy doing stuff like this? Things with your hands and shit like that, and breaking shit down and putting shit up. But I don't enjoy 1,000-piece puzzles though. But it is challenging. It is challenging, but yet it is fun. No downtown. On a third burr. Guys, progress is happening. I almost have a full bed. So, is it hard? Yes. Is it easy? Yes. As long as you follow the instructions and everything's there. It's hard and it's easy. Most of you girls know that. Hard and easy.
करके कीमा खा गए लोग की बोझ लबार न बोले करके कीमा खा गए लोग की बोझ लबार न बोले.
I got now to put up her dresser drawer, but the bed is done. Ta-da! About 1,000 million pieces, but it's done. Cool as hell. It's hella high quality for an Ikea. It's pretty sturdy, you know? So my rating for this bed is a good 4. But the mat.
Dresser too. You got dresser. Right. Here go my Korean tacos. Here go my Korean tacos. 3. Ooh, it's 3. I don't know what is it.
कीमा खा गए लोग की बोतल बार न बोले गीता जिंदा लाश खोले
That was fast.
बोटी बोटी बोल के आके एदा निकल दरदा
He's talking about to just follow you. This one? Just follow you. He's gonna call your boy just to follow you. Just keep the same amount of time. Makes more sense.
अली दे दर तो मिलदा है निशान कलर दरदा
Well, ladies and gentlemen, finish the bed, boom. Finish the drawer, boom. Finish the mirror, boom. It was fun.